nobody cares who you are. It sounds harsh, but hear me out. Right? If you're just getting started with your video marketing, or if you're getting started to get better, beware of this common major pitfall. The long, boring introduction. Right? Here's the deal. Nobody cares who you are. Nobody cares who I am. Nobody cares about what you do. But they do care about what you can do for them. So spending the first 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds doing an introduction that's all about you is not all about them. And they'll be gone as soon as they can and way before you get to your point. So remember, your viewer is there for a reason, right? It's about what they want. Question answered, knowledge imparted, amusement shared, inspiration given. So give them what they want, give them what they came for. Then you can introduce yourself. You can tell them where to get more. You can give a little call to action. You can make an offer. If you scratch their itch, satisfy their curiosity, help them discover, then you may start to build a relationship and create a customer. Now, making a sale is fun, super fun, but making a customer long-term is profitable. So I remember an early business mentor of mine was the legendary sales trainer Zig Ziglar. And one of my favorite quotes from him is this: "They won't care how much you know until they know how much you care." It was true then, it's truer now. So consider this. In your next marketing video, start with them in mind, right? Tell them what you're going to tell them, which should be your headline. Then fulfill that promise. Tell them all about it. Tell them why it matters. Go back and repeat the highlights of what you just told them, which we hope is kind of a solution, right, of sorts. And then, only then, do you begin to tell them who you are, why that matters, why they should listen, where they can go get more, and why they should. You know, I was in the radio business for many, many years, and we had a saying that everybody listens to the same radio station, WIIFM. What's in it for me radio? It's a little hokey, it's a little clever, but it's very true, and it's pretty useful to keep that in mind, right? The thread that goes through your video could be, "Hey, you have this problem," which is the headline, right? "That's a really bad problem. It's gonna get worse, crank up the pain. I know about that problem and how to fix it. Now, there is a solution, a general solution, and also here's my solution, which is a specific solution. And now, here's why to trust me, here's where to get more information about this thing that I do." And at that point, if you can, add a little customer testimonial or some kind words they've said, because the positive words from a random stranger on the internet is quite often what seals the deal in our decision making these days. Are there exceptions? Well, sure, but not many. I guess one is when you're making your simple selling introduction, right? For your website or for social media profile like LinkedIn, where you want to make your good first impression quickly and succinctly. Other than simple stuff like that, make your marketing videos always keeping the customer in mind, and then you'll develop more customers, right? Well, last thing, don't forget, you always want to end your video with a call to action, telling the viewer what to do next. Don't hard sell, right? But offer more information, more tips, more something. Go watch another video. Go to my website and download some more stuff where we can capture the information, the email, so that you can stay in touch, right? Maybe you tell them to make a phone call to book a consultation. Something. Maybe something like this. This is the year of video. Hey, this could be your year for video marketing. Would you like a little support? learn about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart, just go to socialjumpstart.com/join, and I'll see you in the next video.